everybody, and welcome back. I'm excited to be here to share with you my new kit for November. It is called Warm Winter Wishes. I am sharing this kit with you digitally today. You'll notice there's nothing on my desk. I have been having major problems with my printer. I managed to be able to print out one page perfectly fine, but after that my printer started playing up, and as you can see I'm getting streaks on my images. I've done all of the major cleans that you can do on your machine, but it's just the magenta. The nozzle basically is clogged, so it's going for a deep clean, which means I can't print anything at the moment for the next few hours. So I'm going to share with you the kit digitally, so it's going to come up on the screen. There will be a watermark over the pages. Obviously that won't be there when you actually print it off. But yeah, this is my winter kit. I have really enjoyed making this one. I've tried to make it so that it's a combination of winter and Christmas, so that if you are somebody that perhaps doesn't celebrate or want to use Christmassy images in your journal, then you can just obviously leave those pages out. There's lots of wintry ones in there that you could use to still make a journal with. But obviously for those of us who do enjoy Christmas and who do love having Christmas images in our journals, there are lots of pages for you too. So there are 20 pages in total in this kit. 14 of them are journal pages, and then you've got 6 that are the different ephemera pages. And as usual, you've got things like envelopes, tags, some little fussy cuts of labels and things like that. So yeah, so I really hope that you enjoy this kit. As I said, I was managed to be able to get one page off absolutely fine, and then it's when I started printing the next pages, it started off fine this side, so this offside obviously came out first, and then you can just see on the door that it's just so streaky. And yeah, like I said, I did all of the usual things to begin with. So I've cleaned the printer heads. There's even a function where you can do a kind of deeper clean on my printer, but yeah, it's just the magenta, it's just completely clogged up. So yeah, it's going to get fixed, and then we will be back for the challenges. So on that note, there will still be challenges, there will still be freebies. Normally I do those on a Sunday, however, because of printer problems, I'm hoping to have the weekend to kick my printer's butt and get it working again. I obviously need to record my video. Normally I try and do this in advance, but obviously I haven't been able to, so that gives me the weekend to get my printer working, to obviously print everything off, get the video recorded, edited and everything. So the challenge will come out on Monday, and then, like I said, there will be some freebies as well. This month I'm doing things slightly different. I'm going to have 4 challenges. So obviously we're starting a little bit later in the month. Normally I do it on the 1st, obviously it's the 7th now. So we're going to have 4 weeks of challenges, so this does run slightly into December. But then after that I'm going to have the rest of December off to kind of recharge and get ready for the new year. So that's why I'm kind of making this a little bit longer. I'm going to extend it into December. So the first challenge will be coming out on Monday, like I said, with some freebies. The freebies will be either in my Facebook group or in my Ko-fi shop, as they usually are. And you can find this kit for sale either in Etsy or in my Ko-fi shop. I will have both the links down below, and as usual there will also be a discount, so there will be 20% off for the month, as this is a new kit release. So yeah, so I'm sorry that I haven't been able to show you the full proper kit in person. Like I said, hopefully I can get my printer sorted so I'm ready for the challenges. I really hope that you enjoy working with this kit. As usual, I have my design team working on it. I have got them listed down below. Please go and show the ladies some love. They work so hard, and they make absolutely stunning things with the kits as well. They don't always make journals. One of them is a bullet journaler, so often uses pages in her journals as well. So yeah, go and check out their profiles, because there's lots of interesting ways that you can use these pages. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.